Oh my goodness. Jesus.
What is going on, Camp Fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button right now to join the Camp Fam. Right now, guys, I'm actually on the way to the dog room. I'm taking Bentley and Luna for a quick haircut before they go to the vet. Today's gonna be all about them. Obviously, I get them groomed up a little bit, making sure they look super cute, and we're gonna get them checked out just to make sure they're healthy and all good. I'm gonna bring you guys along. I'm driving right now, and this probably isn't the most legal thing to do in Illinois. Bentley, buddy.
These guys are excited. I feel so bad for these guys. They probably think they're going to the park right now. Aww.
So change of plans. I recently just saw on Windy City Soul LLC's IG page. If you guys don't know who that is probably one of the OGs in the sneaker game. He was actually at Ikea here in Schaumburg. The new off-white rug that came out today. I'm super late. It's 10:30. People were able to line up at 7 and they opened at 10. So who knows if there's any rugs left. I'm just going because, well, like you guys just saw, I dropped off Luna and Bentley and I need something to do. So it was either the gym or go spend $500 on a rug. And I said, fuck the gym, let's go spend some money. So yeah, guys, we're on our way to Ikea right now. Let's see if we're lucky enough to cop a rug at least. Guys, right here! Let's see if they have it. I swear if they don't have it. Awesome, guys. So surprisingly, they still have it. This is what it looks like, actually. Super dope. Can't wait to take this home. Yeah, I'm kind of upset. Now I'm lost in Ikea. I really don't know where to go buy my rug. Let's see if we can find someone, or maybe I just buy it when I check out. Is that how it works?
So yeah, you pay for it here. So your total is $548.
Awesome. Awesome.
Not a problem.
All right, man.
We kind of lifted the one for customer at this point because everyone who wanted one
Got one already?
was alive.
Sweet.
So
Okay, cool, man. Thank you so much. Keep it off, guys. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, so I have the rug. It's just the issue is the rug's fairly large and I have my sedan. So let's see how it fits. I'm curious. Oh God, wish me luck. Guys, look, I did it. It fits, but I mean, it's not gonna, like, you know, interfere with the way I ride. You know what I'm saying? Super excited I got this. I checked it on StockX and it went down like $400 after it released. So then I'll be happy to fucking just throw it up on my wall as a, you know, art piece, because it is a work of art. Excuse me. Now we gotta go back and get some shit done. Let's do that. Alrighty, guys, so I brought it home. Here it is. I'm about 6'1", a little over 6'1", and this thing's probably like maybe 6'7", to get 6'8", probably all the way up. I'm gonna unbox this for you guys and let's see how it looks on the wall. I'm super excited to unbox this because it just looks super dope in person, and I think it'd be an awesome addition to kind of the vibe I want to get in the office basement area. So let's see how it looks. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right, so I bought these. Oh shoot! Oh, I found. Okay. All right, so I found some Velcro strips at the dollar store. And these are really, really long, so I think these would be great because, well, this thing is really, really heavy. Like, heavy, heavy. So I really hope that this would work. I mean, I got one this size for each side of the carpet, so hopefully all together it would actually hold it up. It is from a dollar store, so I don't expect great quality, but let's see if this works out. Nice. So Velcro didn't work. It didn't stick on the carpet, but definitely stuck onto the drywall. I think I might just return it. Fuck, man. Shit. Damn. Well, I'm kind of upset, guys. Look at, like, it didn't even, like, look at this. I don't know if you guys can tell with that light, but I kind of, my poor wall, I completely just ruined it with the Velcro. But, oh my goodness, I honestly don't know what to do with this, guys. Like, shit. I don't know.